Hey ladies, and welcome back to another Tip Tuesday video. Today I'll be showing you how to remove heavy residue from your lace. Having a clean and gum-free lace is what's really going to give you a better melt and a more natural looking hairline. So let's get into today's tutorial. What you will need is rubbing alcohol, cotton rounds, an edge brush, and your lace item, of course. Today I have two lace units that need a little love. One has a lot of makeup on it and the other has, well, everything on it. Makeup, hair products, even adhesive glue. So let's start getting rid of all of this gunk. First you want to take a cotton round and soak it with alcohol. Then press that cotton round on the lace. This is going to loosen up any residue and make cleaning it off a breeze. After pressing it into the lace for a few seconds, you want to go ahead and start gently rubbing that residue off. And for any stubborn adhesive glue, you can use your edge brush to gently brush it away. Oh yes, honey, get into this lace. This melt is going to be flawless. And you know what, the best part about this method is you do not have to submerge your whole unit in water. You can literally do this in less than 5 minutes. Well ladies, that concludes this week's Tip Tuesday video. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. And don't let anyone catch you with some dirty lace, okay? Because that is a no-no. Thanks so much for tuning in, ladies, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.